Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Understand legal and platform limits before you record any call on iPhone. Many carriers and regions add an announcement automatically to protect privacy and comply with local law. In many regions, one-party consent allows you to record calls when you participate. iOS does not include a universal, built-in call recording toggle across all carriers and countries. Always tell participants if local law or company policy requires notification. If you need recording for business, document consent in writing when possible. Apple limits native call recording for privacy and legal reasons across carriers and regions. iOS 17 still lacks a global call recording switch that works for every carrier. The simplest reliable workaround is speakerphone plus voice memos on another device to capture both sides clearly. For higher fidelity, use FaceTime audio on iPhone and record on your Mac using QuickTime Screen or audio capture. Always verify that recording a call is lawful where you are before you proceed to record any conversation. To record without carrier announcement, use the speaker method for reliable results. Place the iPhone on speaker and start voice memos on a separate device before you call. Speak clearly and position microphones 3 to 6 inches apart for better capture. When you prefer digital capture, place the call as FaceTime audio and open QuickTime on your Mac. Choose New Audio Recording and select the Mac microphone or iPhone input if available. Then start recording. After the call, stop, trim, and save files with date and participant names for clear records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.